Yo, Success Nation, what is up right there? Today we're back with another video review of the Oslo University 4.0, also called the Real World. And today we're going to be talking about the aspect of the Amazon FBA course, which is the Amazon Fulfillment by Amazon. And probably you want to know more about these and if it is something you could consider or not, then that is what we're going to be discussing here. And I'm also going to be giving you reviews from some of my team members that have gone ahead to check this out. And we're going to help you to, probably teach you one or two things concerning these before you ever go ahead to try out this program. Now, as you know, the Amazon FBA aspect of the Oslo University 4.0, it might be another one to consider. And here the promise to teach you how to launch a successful fulfillment by Amazon store and scale it to 6 figures or more. And the professor name is TJ, which is the one in charge of this Amazon FBA course. And talking about this professor, the website of Andrew Tate University, and each of those professors have, Andrew claimed that they have made at least $1 million in profit, using the method that they teach in their curriculum. And as you can see, so that means this TJ guy has already made $1 million based on what Andrew said. And their teaching come from experience and not just theory, whereby a lot of gurus out there that just claim they know something, but they don't even practice what they are preaching. And at the end of the day, by the time you buy their courses, you realize that you're not getting the results because these guys are just making money from selling their courses. And based on the reviews from some of my team members, because that is what we're going to next, talking about the reviews from some of my team members whom we are both on this journey together. We're reviewing all these online courses because a lot of these gurus out there, they charge you high price for their program and you pay a whole lot. And newbies in the internet marketing space don't even know anything about all this. So we are doing this for newbies to kind of make the best decision when it comes to enrolling for these online programs. Now, there are several reviews out there that you can consider, but we're just going to try as much as possible to help you out when it comes to making the best decision for any program you want to go into. Now, the first one right here is Philip, and what Philip actually said is that, well, so far so good. It's not that expensive, so whatever I learn here, I appreciate it. So that is what Philip said right there, that whatever he's learning here, he appreciated it because it's not really that expensive. And Philip right here is not that used to Amazon FBA. What he does is majorly drop shipping through Shopify. He's not really an FBA guy, and he said he appreciated whatever he learned here. So I feel as a beginner in Amazon FBA, then you might be able to learn one or two things also and probably use this to get started in whatever it is in Amazon FBA. And the next one here we have is Kristen, and Kristen says, I don't see anything special about it, though I feel most of its stuff can be gotten from the internet and just with a simple YouTube or Google search. So that is what Kristen said, that most of the stuff can easily be gotten from the internet because just with a simple Google search, you should be able to get more knowledge about that. Well, that is a good one also because, however, in case you already know much about Amazon FBA or maybe know little, then this might not be something new to you because most of the stuff that they might have said might be something that you already got from the internet previously and you might not really feel a big deal about it. So in case Christian said that, we should be able to flow with him because, however, everyone have their own opinion when it comes to this, okay? And right here we have another person here that said, although the professor guy is cool, but I feel there is more to Amazon FBA than what is being taught here. So that is why I said like the TJ guy is cool, but he felt there is still more when it comes to Amazon FBA. That is the fact that we always be more because what you have to know is that there's a limit to you paying $50 for to learn almost one of the top niches in internet marketing like e-commerce, Amazon FBA, the stock market, cryptocurrency, copywriting, and several other ones out there, freelancing that these guys promise to teach you. Now, don't you think that all these things, like, it's too cheap, okay, for you to get access to all these things for just $50? I think that is very, very cheap. And, it's also kind of skeptical because you should feel like, okay, is this kind of charity or something? But that is Andrew Tate for you. Like, it does something unimaginable. So I think I kind of like the guy, though. Okay, he's used to that. And details about the Amazon FBA, it stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, and it's a service offered by Amazon that allows third-party sellers to store their products in Amazon fulfillment centers. And when a customer places an order for a product, Amazon handles the packaging, shipping, and customer services on behalf of the seller. And here's how Amazon FBA works, the product storage, whereby sellers send their products to Amazon Fulfillment Center, and Amazon stores the products in their warehouse until they're sold. And order processing, when a customer places an order for a product, and Amazon handles all aspects of order processing, including picking, packing, and shipping the item. And the next one is the shipping and delivery, whereby Amazon ships the products directly to the customer using its vast network of distribution centers and delivery services, and this allows for quick and reliable shipping for customers. And the other one we have right here is customer service, whereby Amazon provides customer support and handles returns or exchanges if necessary. And this helps to maintain a high level of customer satisfaction. Other one is the Prime eligibility, whereby products fulfilled by Amazon are often eligible for Amazon Prime, which offers free and fast shipping to Prime members. And this can attract more customers to sell as product. But for you to reach the Prime, you need to be able to have sold several products, and your product should be very much top product, whereby it's selling a lot. With that, you'll be able to reach the Prime, and this will help you sell more easily. Now, going further, I think there are some limitations that you might experience with the Amazon FBA. The first one is the cost, because the fulfillment by Amazon involve various fees, including storage fees, fulfillment fees, and other charges. And this cost can eat into a seller's profit margins, and particularly for low margin products or slow moving inventory. Another aspect you have to put into consideration is the inventory management. Sellers need to carefully manage their inventory level to avoid overstocking or running out of stock. And long-term storage fees can be imposed for products that remain in Amazon warehouse for an extended period. Another thing you have to know is the competition, because look at this, like there are thousands of people who have enrolled for this program called the Oslos University. So meaning you are competing with thousands of other students out there who have the same knowledge of whatever you're teaching. So whatever these guys are teaching you, there are also thousands of other students out there that will be implementing the same strategy that they're going to be teaching you. So whatever products that is being recommended for you, it's no more new, it's already saturated, because the fact that thousands of other people have bought this program by Andrew Tate, then that means that the competition is much for you, aside other competition of people who don't even know about this program themselves, but they are just doing amazing FBA, and they're making a lot of money right there. And there are several established brands when it comes to amazing FBA, so you can see that this is not new any longer. So whatever this guy is teaching you, it's star rated, and the competition is much. We also have restricted products, because some products are restricted or prohibited from being fulfilled through Amazon FBA due to safety, legal, or other reasons. And sellers need to navigate these restrictions and guidelines. And the fact that you also have loss of control, sellers relinquish some controls over the fulfillment process to Amazon, and this includes how products are packaged, labeled, and shipped, and which may not align perfectly with the seller's brand identity or standard. And another thing you have to know is the regulations and compliances, because sellers across multiple regions may require, adherence to various regulations, tax laws, and compliance standards, and navigating these complexities can be time consuming and challenging. So that is it that you have to know concerning this, and several returns on customer services, which are why Amazon handles the return and customer service. Seller may still need to address specific customers' inquiry or concerns, potentially leading to communication challenges. However, if you want to give this a trial and you want to go for it, it's okay. I always tell you that if you're a beginner and you want to try out this Oslos University, it's a good one, but just know that you can't use this to make money. It's normal, because first you even need huge capital to get started with Amazon FBA. Amazon FBA requires huge capital, at least $5,000 to get started. That's the amount you can get started with, because you have to pay for all the shipping and all that, and same as you have to pay money to run ads to also increase the visibility of your product and be able to compete a little with the top guys, even though you won't be able to spend up to what they can spend. And Amazon FBA is kind of a type of business whereby you have to be there to monitor how everything is going, and you get a lot of headache with Amazon FBA. That is the reason why I don't really flow with it. But however it is, if this guys promise you that you're gonna make money, it's not like Amazon MBA is not profitable, but whatever they're going to be teaching you, it's saturated, because thousands of students are in the Discord group who have already learned also. They've learned how the stuff works. So whatever they'll be teaching you, there are thousands who have done it ahead of you. So it's no longer a secret. It's already saturated. And by the time you get there, you stand less chances of even surviving, and you put in more early. But however, if you're an intermediate, then you can give this a try, and probably learn one or two things and make connections with several other people who are already into Amazon FBA. So I see this as a means to build connection also, and not entirely you wasting money. So that is it about this. But if you're looking for a way to make money online, maybe you felt you're just a beginner who want to make money online, and you're an intermediate who just want a side also to make more money, then you can try my type of business, which is including the YouTube shorts and affiliate marketing. Now what we do here is that we create a 5-second silent YouTube video, and we make money with it through affiliate marketing. Now, sometimes you might come to YouTube and you will see some videos in the YouTube short that has millions of views or hundreds of thousands of views, and the person is not talking at all, just a sound, a little background sound that is playing, and the person is probably just pointing to their screen or not even showing their face and just showing their phone screen, and they have millions of views. And what they're doing here is they're using these views to make a lot of money by promoting affiliate products. And this type of business is zero capital to get started. You're not paying any money to get started with this, because YouTube is free, and affiliate products, there are several affiliate programs out there that you can join and you can sell other people's products while you get 50% commission and even more. So you're earning same as the product owner or even more than the product owner, and you're using these millions of views to get and make money online. You're also going to learn how to use TikTok also to do this type of trick. If you want to learn more about this, I do not have a course on this though, because I don't do coaching. I only review coaching program, but you can learn from my mentor who also taught me this technique also. And when I was, rolling online looking for what exactly to do to make money, I tried this and it worked. And you can learn from my mentor just by clicking the link in the video description, or check the screen. You're going to see a link there. You can copy paste it in your browser and you can use it to learn more about this type of business whereby you use YouTube Shorts and affiliate marketing to make money. And another aspect of this is that even aside using YouTube Shorts to make money with affiliate marketing, you can also earn revenue from the YouTube Short, because now YouTube now has the ads revenue program whereby you earn from every YouTube Shorts. So you're using one stone to kill two birds by earning with affiliate recommended products in your video and earning with the YouTube ads revenue. If you want to learn more, click the link in the video description or check the screen. You're going to see a link there. It's going to take you straight to where you can learn more about this, and you can use this to change your story positively in the internet marketing space. I hope this video is helpful. If it is, can make sure that you hit the red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I drop new review videos. And also hit the like button and thumbs up button so that YouTube can recommend this video to several other people out there. Click the link and I'm going to see you right there at the other hand. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.